All right, so we've installed the variable price barcode parser on our test store. And the next step is to set up the product. And we will be using this product here, this label. So this is the name. The price per pound is $13.75. So we'll put $13.75. And let's put in the barcode at 211400. 211400. I'm just going to put the same number here. And if that's all we need, I'm just going to go ahead and make this product active and hit save. All right, so we have this product saved, and let's just quickly go to our apps. And here we have it set up as 13 digits and hand scanner. Let's go ahead and enable that. And we're doing pounds. All right, so this part is done. And the next step is going to be on the actual POS. So we'll pick up there. So this is the second part of the video where we demonstrate how the app actually works on an actual point of sale. So on my iPad here, I have Shopify point of sale, and here I was actually testing it out. So let's go ahead and remove this. So variable price barcode parser is already installed on my store, and I've put a tile here. And to add a tile, you just go to add tile, you select app, it shows you what apps you have installed. And there are two tiles available, and I used the actions one, variable price barcode parser, this one. And so now I have that one in there. And I also have my barcode scanner, the Socket mobile model, already connected to my Shopify store as well. And so I've opened the variable price barcode parser. I've put a focus there. It activates my Socket mobile, and there's the barcode here that we're testing with. I'm just gonna scan it right off my phone, like so, and it picks up the item. Let me just zoom in a little bit. There it is, 688, and let me just zoom out a little bit. 688. Right, so we close. Now we are in our shopping cart, and the item is in there, 688. So that's how it works. Variable price barcode parser by CSI Works. Thank you.